Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video at Team Ho. My name is Noel, and as you can see on my screen here guys is a PayPal payment for $400, and I made this $400 off one of the apps I'm about to show you right now. So just to show you that this is completely real, I'll go ahead and refresh the page for you because I like to make sure that you guys know what I teach here adds value to your life and gives you the opportunity to earn from home and earn from your mobile devices as well. So as you can see here, it has been loaded again and it's still there, the $400 guys. So before we get started guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Leave a comment below, like the video, and share guys. If you're ready to learn and ready to make a bunch of money from your phone, go ahead and comment below, I'm ready. Okay guys, comment below, I'm ready to make that money. Okay, now let's get started. The first app I want to show you guys is called Foap. Okay guys, so Foap is basically an app which you can download on your app store on iPhones or Androids on Google Play Store. Okay, so basically it's very simple. It allows you to take pictures or videos with your phone, upload them to the platform, and you can earn money just by that. Okay guys, just taking pictures with your phone and uploading to the platform. So it's very simple. How does it work? Simply upload your videos and photos and earn money. When a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or picture from your online portfolio, they will share the profit with you 50-50 guys. So once someone buys your picture or your video that you upload on the platform, the website will then share that earning with you 50-50. So they will take 50% of the profit and give you the next 50. Okay, take part in a creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars or just one video or picture. You hear that guys? You can win hundreds of dollars for just one video or picture. Submitting a video or picture to one of our missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. So it's very easy guys, you can just go ahead and download it. Again, it's called Foap, F-O-A-P guys. It's a very simple app to use, and Google has partnered with it. A lot of top companies has partnered with guys. It has been on ABC News, as you can see it right here. Digital LBI has partnered with it. MasterCard has partnered with it. Bank of America has partnered with it. Nivea has partnered with it guys. So all of these top companies are partnering with it because they realize it's a great opportunity and a lot of persons are making money from it guys, so they're backing it 100%. If you did not know about this app guys, I strongly encourage you to go ahead and download it. Get started taking your pictures. It can even be random pictures guys. Start taking your pictures, uploading, and start seeing that money flow in guys. I've made a ton of money from this already, so I'm here showing it to you right now. Okay, you don't want to miss out on this anymore. It's very simple to start. Alright, so the second app I want to show you guys is called Google Opinion Rewards, and basically it's saying that your opinion is valuable. You can earn rewards for helping Google to improve their products and services. So basically Google will be asking you a few questions and you'll be taking those surveys via the app. So you can take this anywhere you are guys. Again, it is available on iPhone, that's on App Store, and on Android, that's on Google Play Store guys. So surveys app. Complete short surveys while standing in line or waiting for a subway. Get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credit for each one you complete. Topics include everything from opinion polls to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys, and they'll notify you when a survey is waiting guys. It's very simple, and this is available worldwide guys. You can do this worldwide. It does not matter where you are. Google will pay you to take these surveys. It's called Google Opinion Rewards. You can see the websites right here in the URL. And so let's just move on to the next one. And this one, guys, is called Field Agent. Now this one, guys, you can make money on. I'm telling you, I've made money on this and I love it, guys. So this is also available worldwide, and basically what they do. Alright, let me just read it here for you. Certainly in an uncertain retail environment. Okay, so what they pay you to do now. Field Agent is your on-demand platform for retail audits, mystery shops, shopper insights, digital product demos, and online ratings and reviews, guys. So they basically pay you to be a mystery shopper, shopper insights, uh, test digital products, uh, give ratings and provide reviews, honest reviews, guys. So it's very simple, and I'll just go ahead and read this for you again. What we do, simply put, Field Agent connects businesses that need work done with on-demand workers looking to make a little extra money. uh, we crowdsourced the smartphones of workers across the United States and 6 other countries to equip brands, retailers, and other businesses with fast, accurate retail information, shopper insights, and digital products demos. So as you can see, guys, mobile audits, they provide that. You can provide that. Mobile research, mystery shopping, digital demo, and they work with just about everyone, guys. Everyone. You can see it right here. Retailers, CPG, beverage, restaurants, agencies. And you can also go ahead and hear from some of their clients by watching the videos. And again, guys, this is one of the other apps that a lot of top name companies have already partnered with them. Some of them that I know you know of, like Walmart, Coca-Cola, Kohler, Hershey's, Nestle, Clorox, Scotty, Jordan, Kraft, Tyson. Guys, a lot of big name companies have also partnered with them because these are legit companies, legit apps that will pay you. They will pay you a lot of cash, guys. As you can see, let me go back over to my PayPal payment here, $400, guys, and this is just from one of those apps. Okay, guys, so if you're ready to grow your business with deep customer insight, just go ahead. And if you're ready to work with them, guys, just go ahead and sign up. Download the apps on your Play Store or App Store and get started, guys. It's very easy. You can go ahead and even click try it out free. Okay, and moving on again, we have the last one that is called Dash. Now Dash, guys, this is a very great one. This is the one that I made over $400 on, guys. Dash is an app. Let me just show you here. Find cashback deals, guys. So basically what Dash does is you download it on your phone. You'll put your credit cards on it, guys, because everyone, basically we're in an age where everyone buys stuff online, guys. So once you download the Dash app on either your Android or your Apple device, you'll put your credit card, you'll link your credit card to the app. So any purchases you make online, Dash will basically go ahead and find you discounts and a lot of deals, guys. So they'll save you a lot of money and give you cash back for those money that you save. You can see it right here. A lot of persons take Uber, they buy stuff online, Old Navy, even pizzas, 8% cashback, 3% cashback, 2% cashback. So it's constantly putting money in your pocket, guys. And there's been persons that I've seen that have earned over, let's say, $500 to $600 per week, guys, just using this app alone. So it's a great opportunity. I would strongly advise you guys to go ahead and download it. It's very good, guys, trust me. Well, that's just about it, guys, but let me just show you something first. I'm pretty sure if I search Dash in YouTube right now, you'll see a lot of other YouTubers reviews on it, because it's making these persons a lot of money, guys. As you can see, make $100 per day on the Dash app. Dash app review, $225 in 2 days, guys. That's just amazing. How to make 300 a day online with the Dash, guys. It is amazing, guys. You don't want to miss out on this. It's called Dash. You can go ahead and find it on App Store or Play Store, guys. Go ahead and download it. If this video helped you in any way, please remember to leave a like, comment below, let me know that it helped you, guys. Your comment means a lot to me, so just comment below, let me know that it helped you. Leave a like on the video, and make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we upload videos like this every single day. You don't want to miss it out, guys. Again, my name is Noel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.